Hi guys, I hope that you are doing very well. So, welcome back to part one of series and sequence in mathematics. So, I don't want to even squander your time today because I feel like we should be able to get into the business of the day without squandering anyone's time. So, today I decided to come with this question because I think that most people might actually be confused when they get into the exam paper and come across, this type of equation. So I just want to show you how you can be able to solve this within maybe 4 minutes or 2 minutes or just 1 minute, you know. Just that there'll be a lot of explanation since I'm actually trying to ensure that you do understand what's happening and so forth. So today we have this sequence with x and y, and this is actually an arithmetic sequence. So you should be able to determine the value of x and also y. So you don't have to, think too much when you get this. You just have to think about the word itself, arithmetic sequence. And then after doing that, make sure that you go and write the formula t n, which is equals to a, and then this will be plus n minus 1, and then you have your difference, right? So with this, you know that you'll be able to solve this particular question as you know the formula. You don't have to think, too much about this. Let's talk about a. A will be the value of the first value of the series, which is 7. So we know that this is actually 7. And then let's also think about n. So n will be what? Will be the position of that particular value of tn. 1, let's say that this is our 1, this is our 2, this is our 3, and this is our 4. So now it means that if I need x, I just have to come here and say, okay, this is my x, as tn, x, the t of 2, position 2, which is equals to a, that will be 7, the plus of, n, which is 2, all right? 2 minus 1, the difference. So let's think about the difference. The difference will be, what you get when you subtract 7 from a t2 or maybe x, right? So let's leave it as it is, which is equals to 7, and then 2 minus 1 will give you 1. This will be plus d, right? Let's go to y. Y at position number 3, y is equals to, and then we know that our 7, which is a 7, the plus of at position number 3 minus 1 into d, and then this is equal to 7, the plus of 2d, right? So we do have our equations for x and y, and then we are sorted. So another thing is that let's think about this particular number here, that we have negative 11 at position number 4. So meaning that I can come here and say that I have my Tn, which is negative 11, and then which is equals to 7, and then with that 7 I'll say plus, what is the position? That will be position 4 minus 1, and then d, we don't know d, that's what we are looking for. So then here I'm going to have negative 11, which is equals to, right, 7, the plus of 3d. And I'm going to take 7 to the other side. I'm going to have negative 18, which is equals to 3d. Then this divided by 3, this divided by 3. And now we know that d is equals to, so you'll go to your calculator if you are used to, your calculator, and say negative 18 divided by 3, that will be negative 6, as it's actually a negative. I did not actually enter that. So after doing that, it means that we know that this will be negative 6. And as we know that this is negative 6, you just come back and say, okay, this means that y is equal to 7, the plus of 2 into negative 6. Then you're done, because you are going to get the answer here. And then this side, you come and say this implies that 7 minus 6 is equals to 1. So x is equal to 1, and then with y, we now know that y will be 7, the plus of, so this will give you negative 12, remember. So 2 into negative 6, and then this will give you into negative 6, let me, yeah, it will give you negative 5, right? So it means that this will definitely be your negative 5, and then this means that you are done with the solution. You don't have to go and go for x minus 7, and then you have y minus you will have what, y minus x, and then you're gonna have negative 11 minus y, and solve that. That will take you like more time. So the best thing is to use the formula against this question, so then you'll be able to get to the solution faster. I hope that you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, and also comment below if you need another video based on arithmetic series or sequence, so then I'll be able to help you. Thank you.